Today we're building a powerful lightning scene. Begin with a moody dark sky photo. Add lightning bolts using real thunderstorm images or digital brushes. Place them strategically and enhance brightness using linear dodge. Add glow halos around each bolt to emphasize illumination. Light up nearby clouds by softly brushing white near strike points. Add rain streaks with motion blur for drama. Introduce reflected light on ground elements to unify lighting direction. Boost contrast and desaturate blues slightly for storm intensity. The final composition feels electrifying and cinematic.
Let's unleash the storm.